Hello everyone, my name is Pavlyshyn. I am a head of data science at Everstake, and today we are happy to announce that we are publishing to the community, to the web, our dynamic dashboard based on Atom on-chain analysis. We have already shared its static version that you all have seen, and thank you for your feedback for it. So today we are ready to bring more value, and let's start. So first of all, that report is dynamically changed wherever you do any changes here. For example, you can filter by validator rank, you can filter by commission rates, you can filter by the years, you can select any validator that you are interested in, and you can make your own suggestions based on that data. Moreover, you are able to go to the different level of datetime hierarchy. For example, go to the weeks or daily data and etc. That report contain almost all information that you have already seen on static dashboard, but we already provide some additional features. For example, here you are able to make any dashboard on focus mode. You are able to make any filters on any visuals that you like. Also, we add additional feature. It's some key charts that are showing the relegation flow between validators. For example, if you're interested to understand which amounts flows from validators, you're able to filter here. And for example, if you select all validators, you're able to see the flow between them. We have source validator, we have destination validator, and amount. The sum of amount showing like the by the lines, and the bigger that line is, a big amount was transferred. We are able to filter by destination validator. For example, if you would like to understand which flows go into the Everstake, you can filter and show that like transactions. Moreover, we are able to filter by amount, by increasing it or decreasing it to see more data. Another one is filtering by the commission level. Here, validator has been grouped by the commission level, and we are able to see the flow between commissions. Actually, that's it. You will find more instructions in our blog, and if you have any questions, we are ready to and happy to answer any of them. Thank you for your attention.